From gentle kids rides to giant splash drops, we've ridden water attractions all around the world. Today we're ranking them from level 1 to the ultimate level 10. Not all water rides are created equal, some barely get you wet, others completely soak you in seconds. We're ranking them based on how wet you get, how fun they are, and how re-rideable they are.
This may actually be one of the best water rides I've ever been on in my life.
Let's get started with level 1. Gentle indoor boat rides. Think calm, slow, and honestly quite forgettable. Rides like Sindbad at Tokyo DisneySea or Secrets of Istanbul at Everland are peaceful, but there's no thrill, no splash, and absolutely no reason to re-ride them. Level 2 is the upgraded kids rides. More colour, better music, nice theming, but still very tame. They're charming and slightly more fun, but still not wet and not exactly thrilling. Whilst the Rapunzel ride at Tokyo DisneySea might be one of the most beautiful rides to ever exist, I ain't gonna do it again. Level 3 is the gentle splash log flumes.
It's a kid's water ride. How wet are you gonna get?
Now we're getting somewhere. Kind of. You can get a bit wet on these things. They are good fun, especially for kids. But, again, I'm not doing it twice.
You do get wet on this ride.
Level 4, looks to kill. These rides look like they're gonna get you soaked, but they don't. Rides like Aquatopia at Tokyo DisneySea and Jet Ski in Everland, they look really fun, they're well themed, but you stay completely dry. Level 5, water slides. These are the rides that belong in a water park and yet you find them in a theme park. For this we're heading to Thorpe Park, looking at Storm Surge and Depth Charge. These are fast paced, fun and very re-rideable, but not that wet. Level 6 is the classic log flume. This is the golden era of water rides. Great theming, solid drops and a proper splash. Think Tiger Rock at Chessington World of Adventures or classic flumes at Enchanted Kingdom and Star City. Sadly, in recent years, these rides have started to fade out, especially in the UK, where places like Alton Towers have replaced their log flume to make way for Wicker Man, and more recently, Thorpe Park replaced theirs to make way for Hyperia. And yet still, it's level 6 on the list. Stepping it up to level 7. Now we're getting wet. River rapids are chaotic, unpredictable, and honestly some of the most fun rides in any park. You never know who's gonna get drenched, and that is just magic. Fun, yes. Wet, yes. Re-rideable? Some people sure, not us. Level 8, the big splash. We've seen these rides all around the world, and they are only there for one reason: to get you soaked. Tidal Wave at Thorpe Park is the perfect example. Huge drop, massive wave, absolutely no chance of staying dry. But re-ride? Nah, we're not doing that. Level 9, water coasters. Now we're combining speed, thrills, and splashes. Of course this was going to be in second place. We're coaster couple. We love roller coasters. And if it goes through the water, even better. Rides like Speed at Energylandia bring coaster intensity with splash elements. The perfect hybrid. Before we reveal number 1, don't forget to like and subscribe, head to the comments and let us know what is your favourite water ride. Now in the number 1 spot, level 10, the ultimate water ride. This is it, the perfect water ride experience. Boat sections, dark ride elements, lift hills, backward sections, big drops, everything combined into one. Rides like Beaverberg at Familypark deliver the full package. They aren't just water rides, they are complete attractions. Fun, yes. Wet, yes. Re-rideable, absolutely. This is the top level of water ride. Do you agree with our list? Let us know in the comments and we will see you in the next video.